he say? Wow, that's good. What does an elephant say? That's right. That's good. What's a bird do? That's right. They flap their wings. What's a pig say? Very good. That's so
Monkey.
good.
That's what he
That
does.
monkey?
A dog.
Good job.
What does a lion do?
What does tiger do?
Andrew, wink, wink. Andrew.
What's ugly face?
Andrew, how do you say please? How you do please?
Please.
Do please? Oh, he's busy.
No. No.
What happened? I don't know. Oh.
High five. Yay. Down low. In the middle. Don't better because I think too slow.
Oh, you do that?
Don't better.
Oh, he's too smart.
Oh, you got it.
That's how he knows it too much. He's dancing now.
Good dance, Andrew.
Andrew, show your belly.
Where's your belly?
Oh, that's your belly. He's dancing. Andrew, stand up and turn around. Stand up and turn around. Andrew,
Andrew,
stand.
where are your toes at?
No, that's not your toes. Where's your toes? You know where your toes are.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulders,
Oh, that's your head. That's your head.
knees and toes.
That's your toes. Very good.
Toes.
Still dance.
Climb on a chair. Show everybody how you climb on a chair.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a little
Oh,
slippery.
you can do it.
He's done it so fast before.
I don't know why he's trying to claim it. Oh, you did it!
Whoa! Wow, Andrew. Can you go back down?
Come back down. How do you come back down?
Be careful.
Yep, you
Be
turn
careful.
around, put your feet out.
No,
Or
I don't
you
think.
just sit
I don't
there.
think he wants to go down.
What? What? Huh? What? Who? Where?
Oh,
He just
he just jumped down. Like he just. Usually he'll like back out and just
No more, no more, no more.
goes flips
No
over
more,
and
no more.
he
Go on the couch.
just jumps down that one.
Oh, you didn't put any pictures in here yet, honey?
No, I will. Oh, he's gonna go hide in it.
Say peekaboo with them. Send it over there.
Andrew, peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. Where's Andrew? Where's Andrew? There he is. Oh, where are you? Where's Andrew? Where's Andrew? Is he in here? There he is. Mm.
Hi, Andrew. Who is this?
Where are you gonna go now? Where are you gonna go? You gonna go sit in your chair? You gonna go sit in your chair now? Is he back on the...
Let's turn the music on. So play some music.
He wants some...
Turn on your radio. One day, turn on your radio. You can dance.
It's gonna be a long video.
Happy feet.
Dance, Andrew.